Today we're focusing on two specific types of motivated sellers: individuals going through a divorce and those handling estate sales. Are you ready to unlock the treasure trove of real estate opportunities hidden in plain sight? These scenarios can open doors to remarkable deals, often overlooked by others. Before we explore these paths, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insightful content. Identifying potential divorce sales. Spotting a potential divorce sale requires a keen eye and understanding of local market dynamics. Signs may include a sudden listing of a family home or a change in the way the property is being marketed. Divorces often lead to a need for quick sales, which might be evident in the listing language, such as urgent sale or priced for quick closing. Keep an ear to the ground in local community groups or social media, where such properties might be discussed informally before hitting the market. Additionally, maintaining connections with family law attorneys can provide early leads, as they're often aware of clients needing to sell property as part of divorce proceedings. Spotting estate sales early. Estate sales can be gold mines, often priced below market value due to the need for a quick sale. These properties are usually part of a deceased individual's estate, potentially needing some updating or repairs. Signs to look for include homes in older neighborhoods that suddenly start getting cleared out or repaired. Regularly checking obituaries and public court records for probate filings can lead to potential estate sales, though this requires a sensitive and respectful approach. Networking with estate planners and attending local probate court hearings can also provide early insights into upcoming estate sales. Remember, building relationships with probate attorneys is key, as they can often give you a heads up on properties before they are listed. Key questions to ask. Time to channel your inner Sherlock Holmes. For divorce sales, understanding the emotional and legal landscape is key. Ask questions like, "Can you tell me about the timeline you're working with for this sale?" Or, "Are there any specific legal or financial aspects I should consider?" When approaching estate properties, focus on understanding the family dynamics. Questions like, "Who is handling the decision-making for this sale?" And, "Are there any debts or legal matters tied to the property that we should discuss?" are crucial. Real-life anecdotes and case studies. Let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine Sarah, who spotted a divorce sale through a local attorney. She found that the couple was desperate to sell. By offering a fair price and empathetic approach, she closed the deal quickly, helping them move on during a difficult time. On the estate side, consider the case of the Edwards family. After their patriarch passed away, the property was left to multiple heirs, creating a potential for disagreement. Investor Tom, who had been following local probate cases, approached them respectfully and managed to negotiate a deal that satisfied all parties, turning a sensitive situation into a successful investment. Navigating the paths of divorce and estate sales in real estate is not just about finding great deals, it's about understanding the human element behind each property. These situations require empathy, patience, and a strategic approach. You're not only investing in properties, you're also helping people move forward during challenging times. If you found this video helpful and insightful, show us some love with a thumbs up and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Remember, for the latest in real estate investing strategies, keep watching and stay ahead of the game.